Hello YouTube, Bob Lee here. I'm going to start a small series and in cooperation with Mike Fulton, and we're going to build a couple of lathe tools called hollowers. In one of my previous videos I showed how to make some easy tool, mid-sized tools. So today I am showing the process of how I started to make a hollowing tool for one of the easy tool ends. And we're going to see how they come out. Well, today I'm standing outside of my old toy box, and I'm getting out some of my old toys. I've got an acetylene tank outfit here that I've had tucked away. I never got rid of it, and I've been saving them for a project that I want to get started on. So, okay, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to make another lathe tool, but this one's going to be a little different. It's going to be what they call a hollower. This is somewhat of a new adventure for me, but I've got stuff 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch bar stock, and I was already doing a little bit of bending on it, cold bending, but now I'm going to get a little bit more serious and get my I have my tanks out and my torch, and we're gonna see what we can do with it. Well, what I'm trying to do is bend the bar in just enough the right ways. I'm trying to put a very slight hook on it, and yet I still want this end to line up in the middle of the shaft. Mostly what I'm doing is all kind of guessing by golly, so kind of learning as I go. I know what I want to do. Well, I think that's what I'm going after. I wanted to make sure this end was in line with here. Now I'm not sure if I've got too much of a curve or for too much depth, but that's what we got to figure out. There they are. They're about 10 inches long. I'm thinking about getting about 4 to 4.5 inches into the handle. I want to thank all my subscribers, and if you're watching and you like what you see, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.